Touch refrigerator for refrigerator compartment or freezer for freezer compartment and toggle through temperature set points. Note: to view temperature in degrees Celsius, touch and hold the mode and freezer buttons for 3 seconds and the temperature display will change. To return to Fahrenheit, touch and hold the mode and freezer temperature buttons for 3 seconds and the temperature display will change. To activate temperature mode for drawer, touch drawer and toggle through 4 optional temperature settings: meat, drink, deli, and wine. The display will show the temperature set point, meat, drink, deli, wine, of the selected setting for the drawer. Recommended refrigerator temperature set points are 37 degrees Fahrenheit or 3 degrees Celsius. Recommended freezer temperature set points are 0 degrees Fahrenheit or -18 degrees Celsius. When adjusting temperature set points, use the following chart as a guide. Refer to your model's owner's manual, quick start guide, or scan the QR code on your refrigerator for additional information.